So we have to do a little bit of cleaning up. Usually I have to do that in the morning if I don't like doing it at night. But I'm getting ready to get this incubator ready. We are gonna start that today. I'm gonna start the dishwasher first, wake the kids up, and go from there. And let me get my coffee and we'll be ready. I'm excited about this. Even just dreaming about it. You know how when you have your stuff in the pressure cooker and you know, the release lets off? That's what I was dreaming this thing was doing. So we've got some Brahmas, a Wheaton Americana. We have some Isa Brown, some Cinnamon Queen, some Barred Rock. I am pretty excited. There, we're gonna get those eggs in, get them to room temperature, and I'll put them in a little bit. And we'll check back. Okay, so we have 5, 10, 15, 16 eggs in there. We decided to go ahead and just do it.
I'm most excited about is that green one.
Yeah, that one right there.
It's the green one. And the white one right there.
Excited. All right, we'll check back in.